My dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining me today, joining my little quarantine sketchbook practice. I'm glad we can meet here in this internet corner while everyone's staying home during these difficult times. I hope you're all safe and healthy. Please let me know in the comments where you live and how you deal with everything happening outside in this world. It's crazy, right? But I believe we will get through this soon. The world will be okay. We will be okay. We will be together with our beloved ones again. Much more grateful for our everyday lives and grateful for everything, for people we love to keep around especially. I'm sorry it took me so long to upload a new video. I was staying with my mom and I did not have my usual setup for making videos, but now I do, so I will make more videos for you and we can be in touch during these times. You can also see the bad quality of the video. That's because I was recording it with my phone and not my camera, so sorry for that as well. In this video I will show you some recent little sketchbook practice. It's kind of related to everything we go through right now. I think it's great to use this time being home, even alone like me, to find your little safe place and create something for yourself, or even maybe for the ones you can't be with. To find your own way of expression, or just to learn something new, a new perspective while being home and seeing everything the same way as the days go by. We can't change the situation. It's simply happening. But what we can do is to have our own attitude. We might take this as an opportunity to grow, to make ourselves bloom in the creative way, to calm down a bit as everything was so fast and chaotic. Sorry, I can't speak anymore. So we couldn't have a time to think, to dive into our minds, to do what we love to do, to learn more about ourselves. And this little sketch is called Blooming in Her Own Solitude. I love this symbol, the female turned away from us, distancing from others and turning back to herself. There is nothing in front of her, just a simple wall showing her own shadow. And it's not sad at all. She's not lonely. For me, the term solitude means a state of being alone but not lonely, because she is being in a great company of herself, reconnecting with herself, and I think this is the great time for it. According to some online dictionaries, the solitude can provide one with a chance to reflect on spiritual matters, and I can really feel this meaning of the word, especially while practicing social distancing. Of course, I'm afraid sometimes. Of course, I cried already. It's natural. This is something we haven't experienced yet, so we are afraid. There's no such a certainty as we had before, but we can try to make our attention focus on beautiful things. Last night I could not fall asleep, and I was actually kind of grateful for it in the end. I opened a window, I lied into the bed, closed my eyes to make other senses a little more sensitive. I enjoyed the smell of the spring coming into my room, and I could hear the birds singing through the night. Even though it was far, far away from me, I could witness how their voices merged with the sound of my breath, and I knew I was part of it, and it made me come down and fall asleep peacefully. And this actually inspired me to draw the shadow of flowers on her bag and on the wall. I know it looks a little bit like a tattoo, but it's actually a shadow. It's supposed to be a shadow. And the shadows just merged together. The sun merged them together, and she knows she's part of the wild nature. And the wildflowers grow and bloom anywhere they want. They're wild and free. And the shadow reflects her inner state. These little flowers are called baby's breath. I'm sure you know this flower. They usually represent purity, innocence, and love. Maybe you could see this flower in some of my previous sketches. It's one of my favorites. Those little babies are so cute, and they remind me of the fact that even something so small can bring us a joy. Also, when I can see the branches of trees and bushes around coming into life with blossoms, I have a feeling the world is just alright, and we are a natural part of it, so we will be okay, we are okay. I hope this video was helpful, or that you enjoyed the video and narrated process of creating the basic proportions, and also some real-time videos from the process are on my Patreon account. So in case you want to learn something new during the quarantine, you can check this out. You can check my Patreon. There are more than 150 videos right now, full of tips and narrated processes, and it will be also a huge support for me. But thank you for any kind of your support, for your kind words, for being here with me. I'm so grateful. Please stay safe and healthy. Take care of yourself and your beloved ones. I can't wait to see you in my next video. Bye.